Hulagang salamin, kailan na aminin. Thank you so much for 430,000 TikTok followers. Grabe, ang dami nyo na guys. Because of that, we're going to have a series. And sorry if medyo poise pa ako kasi I just finished filming a dance. But we're going to have a series and hindi ko pa alam anong tawag dito. But it's going to be a dance series where I or we are going to learn Beanie dances. Help me kung ano ipapangalan ko sa series, yung creative. Dahil hatak na ako ng Beanie ngayon. And one of my most requested dance covers are from Beanie. So why not gawin natin ng series para you know, happy tayong lahat. So I have here a list of Beanie dancers na nakuha ko to kay Adi Space. So in my list, hindi ko na sinali yung Pantropiko and Salamin Salibin because I already have covers for that. But here I have Born to Win, I Feel Good, Golden Arrow, Carrera, and 2 videos for Carrera, which is the chorus and the dance break. Kasi medyo mahirap yung sayaw ng Carrera, guys. But it's one of my most requested and it's one of the dances that I really look forward to learning. Kasi sobrang ganda ya, guys. And it's also pretty challenging. So I'm looking forward to learning that. And we also have her strings, Lagi, and then na-na-na-na, nahulog ang loob. Sure. And No Fear, and last is ang huling cha-cha. To step back. So for these dances is hindi talaga ako nanunood ng dance practice videos or like yung sasayaw sa TikTok para hindi ko siya like makabisado agad, and then para when I learn it, it's going to be very genuine and kung ano talaga yung feeling and kung gaano talaga siya kahirap. But I'm going to do 3 videos naman, which is going to be learning dances, dance cover, dance tutorial, and maybe a YouTube step-by-step video. So, hintayin nyo yun, guys. But for now, this is just going to be a mini announcement and I don't know where I'm going to post the first video. Maybe this week or next week, hindi ko pa sure. But please look forward to it dahil medyo maraming videos tayong line up this month. Kasi wala na kaming class and I have a lot of free time to do videos and shoot and dance. So, stay tuned. And if you've come this far, please let me know sino yung bias nyo. My bias is Maloy and bias tracker ko is, I don't know, like Sheena or Colette. I don't know, oh my god, I love them all. Pero si Maloy yung bias ko. Sinong bias nyo? Comment down below. Thank you and stay tuned. Na 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 na.